I am doing a video of Bee Swarm Simulator. Sorry if I haven't done an upload for a little bit, but I did. I'm doing uploads, and I'll tell you how. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna get lots. I'm gonna get an egg so I can go to 20. I need one more egg to get 20 eggs to get the other eggs, and then he's not there. Oh, he's there. Oh, I'm so slow. You have to go here. It's an easy way, not beside the tree. There's gonna be more mantises, and then he's gonna die, of course. I still wanted, you know who? I mean, you know what? An egg. So what is this? Polar power? What is that? At least I got lots of gumdrops and I haven't used them. I almost got 100. I have 155 strawberries, 1 royal jelly, and I need an egg. Seriously. And here's a polar bear. And I'm not going to go more up high. I'm gonna go. I have to go where the spot is. Oh, I'm gonna get the egg now, but not yet. So bye bye everyone, and I'll do next video.